everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got back from the rink and I was greeted by an order from Thrive Market. I didn't need a whole lot, but I had some credits on my account that were going to expire, so I decided to place an order with Thrive and make sure I used all my credits. Which reminds me, if you want to give Thrive Market a try, there's a link in the description down below where you can save off your first order. If you use that link, you help support the channel because I'll get a little something towards my next order too. Let's get the box open. I got some Italian seasoning, and this is the Thrive brand. Remember, this is not sponsored by Thrive Market. I wish it was though, because I love Thrive, and I did pay for everything in here. I order seasonings from them because they're really good quality. They're organic, they're non-GMO, and they're affordable. So this is Italian seasoning, and I have a container in my cabinet that I just refill from the packet. And then we have some herbs de Provence. And again, it's the Thrive brand. It's organic and it's non-GMO. And then some cinnamon, organic, non-GMO, also the Thrive brand. I use a lot of cinnamon. I put it on apples and almond butter, sometimes peanut butter, and even on my yogurt. I do Greek yogurt with a little bit of vanilla extract, cinnamon, and blueberries or strawberries, which I keep frozen in my freezer. And I get those usually from one of those produce services you guys see me unbox. And if you missed those videos, I have links to them in the description down below. I got some of the Inca Giant Corn. I love this stuff. It is so good. It's not the greatest for you, but it's better than eating potato chips or Fritos or something. And sometimes you just need something crunchy and salty. And this is gluten-free and non-GMO. And with corn, I always say this, but you got to be careful with GMOs and corn. Another one of Giant Inca Corn. You have to buy two. That's my excuse. You have to buy two. I've got some dried parsley because sometimes I can't get fresh parsley and I need parsley. So this works. And this is Saffron Road Lemongrass Basil Simmer Sauce. And I used to have this in my cabinet all the time, and then when I stopped going to the grocery stores, I stopped having it in either the messy pantry behind me or the cabinet up here. It is not organic, but it is non-GMO, gluten-free, and halal. And the ingredients are water, coconut milk, green Anaheim pepper puree, ginger apple juice, native cornstarch. Again, this is non-GMO, so I feel okay about that. Cane sugar, but there's only 4 sugars per serving, and only 3 of them are added sugars. So while I don't love added sugar, it's not the worst thing in this context. Lemongrass puree, garlic, lemon juice, Thai basil, expeller pressed canola oil, and if we see canola oil, you know we want it to be expeller pressed. Olive oil, lime juice, sea salt, spices, green chili pepper. This is really not bad. I expected when I read this off that I was going to be like, why did I even buy this? But this is pretty good, pretty clean. I love that they wrap everything and everything arrives in good condition. Tomato paste, because I had run out of tomato paste. And if you guys have wondered why I haven't had to go to a grocery store, it's because I get everything this way from all these delivery services. Some Sencha Green, a vibrant and fresh Japanese green tea. And I don't know about you, but I love green tea, and I love this green tea. I've gotten this before. It is organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, kosher, no artificial ingredients, free of dyes and color additives, and preservative-free. So this is very clean. And again, it's the Thrive Market brand. Some Bulgarian lavender hand wash. I love lavender. Let me see what this smells like. Oh, that is so good. It's not like that commercial lavender scent. It's like real lavender, like if you picked it. And this is for naturally clean and soft hands, made with organic aloe vera, no animal testing, no added sulfites, scented with essential oils. So this is what we want to see. We got some expeller pressed avocado oil spray. Even when I'm putting something on the grill so it doesn't stick, I'll spray it with a little bit of this first, or I'll spray it on a pan to go on the stove because it keeps things from sticking. And this is propellant free, non-GMO, ethically sourced, kosher, paleo, gluten-free, and vegan. And then we've got some mustard, and this is Dijon mustard this time. Also the Thrive Market brand and organic. Some organic lemon juice, and this is Santa Cruz Organic 100% lemon juice. And I buy this from Thrive because it's significantly less expensive to get it from Thrive than to get it from Vitacost or even my Food Town down the street. This is the best price I've ever seen on this is from Thrive Market. Then we have some organic coconut cream, and this is extra thick. And then we have organic coconut milk, regular. And one of these has added sugars. It's not sweetened. And I use this, I make coconut rice for Colin. He really loves it. And I had just run out of coconut milk, so I picked up some. And another of the regular coconut milk. Organic smoky chipotle salsa. This stuff is amazing. I love this. So I'll make tacos one night, and I use this as like my taco sauce because I don't like taco sauce really. And then the next night I make nachos with, or the night after that, I make nachos with the leftovers, and I use this as one of the toppings that I add to the nachos. It's so good. And then I got some Thrive Market organic vodka sauce because I do like to keep some sauces in my messy pantry for times when I don't have time to make the sauce. I do typically make our pasta sauce and store it in the freezer, especially when it's a gravy. I do that when it has meat in it, but when it doesn't have meat in it, I tend to make that the day I'm eating the sauce. And sometimes it's nice to just have it so that we can make it without having to prepare it from scratch. The ingredients in here are plum tomatoes, heavy cream, and this is organic. Because it says organic, I assume everything in here is organic, I hope. Plum tomatoes, heavy cream, onion, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, sea salt, basil, vodka, citric acid, black pepper. That's all organic. Even the vodka is organic that went in here. Okay, so what do you guys think? For around $60, I'll put my full receipt up here so you can see my total. But this was around $60. After my credits, it was only 30 something dollars. But what do you think? Is this worth it? What would you guys pay for this from your local market? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And remember, if you want to give Thrive Market a try, there's a link in the description down below where you can do that and save off your first order. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone. Just post it to your social media too. And remember, I post at least 3 videos a week, and at least one of them, lately, sometimes more of them, is an unboxing, because you guys really seem to love my unboxings. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.